All right, let's talk about the guy who literally rewrote the rules of the universe.
Well, for pretty much all of history, that's what everyone thought, a totally divided universe.
So you had one set of rules for stuff down here and another for everything up there.
He was after one single theory that could explain how everything moves, everywhere.
But to do that, he first had to invent some master keys, his laws of motion.
So his first law, it basically takes Galileo's big idea of inertia and makes it official.
And the second law? Yeah, that gives us one of the most famous equations in all of physics.
And the third law shows us that every force is really just a two-way street between objects. He also, created a whole new language for science, calculus, the math of change.
Okay, so with these new tools, he could finally tackle the biggest question of all.
And his answer was mind-blowing. Universal gravitation, a force acting on everything, everywhere.
Think about it. This one law explained all of this stuff, totally unified everything. And just like that, the universe wasn't divided anymore. Heaven and earth played by the same rules.
But it wasn't just about finding the answers. He created a whole new blueprint for how to find them.
He famously said he didn't frame hypotheses. Basically, he let the evidence do the talking.
With this method, he proved Kepler's laws weren't just observations, but consequences of his physics.
And he didn't stop there. He totally changed how we see light, even figuring out color itself.
What he built was this beautiful, complete system, a perfect clockwork universe that just worked.
But, even a perfect clockwork machine has its limits.
He couldn't say what gravity was, and his laws kind of broke at really high speeds or tiny scales.
But those very puzzles, they're what paved the way for Einstein and quantum mechanics.
So Newton wrote the rule book for the universe. The real question is, what happens when you break those rules?